Hello guys, back again with me on YouTube channel, Yug Boy. There are a lot of toys here. Whoa, there are so many toys, friends, and colorful. There are also 3 trucks here. Today we will try to review the toys that are here. We'll put the toys one by one into this truck, guys. For those of you who are curious, please click like and subscribe below. Let's start with the yellow truck first. Let's take the first toy. There is a toy container here. This is an excavator transport container. Okay, guys, here's a toy horse. Whoa, he is yellow in color. Look, guys, here's a blue Tayo bus car toy. His name is the Tayo. He is very cool. Okay, guys, here there is a Biko car toy. This Biko car is yellow in color. Okay, guys, here there is a sand truck toy car. This sand truck car is turquoise green in color. Look, guys, here there are also mythological animals. This is a dragon. And now, there is a racing car toy. This racing car is blue in color. Well, if this is a toy truck car. This is a coal transportation truck. Whoa, look, guys, the yellow truck is full. Now we move on to the purple truck. Whoa, look, guys, here there is a police racing car. This car is black in color. Whoa, and here there is a toy Tayo bus car. This Tayo bus is blue, guys. There is a bus car whose name is Gani. Whoa, there is a toy bus. This bus is named Laney. This Laney is a friend of the Tayo. Wow, cool. Whoa, there is an excavator car, Biko car. Look, guys, here there is a plane, and this is a helicopter plane. This helicopter plane is yellow in color. There is a patrol police motorcycle toy. This police motorcycle is white. Very cool, isn't it? If this is a safari truck, guys. This safari car is colored blue and green. Here is a racing horse toy, guys. This racing horse is brown in color.
Look, guys, here there is a caterpillar toy. The caterpillar is green. Whoa, so cute. Okay, guys, here there are camel animals. This camel is brown in color. Very cool. And this is a dinosaur toy, and his name is Stegosaur. He is orange color. Whoa, and this is a fire truck. This fire truck is red in color. And look, guys, here is a white racing car. Whoa, and the last one, there is an ATP motorcycle. This ATP motorcycle is blue in color.
Okay, guys, we got a lot of toys. Let's take it home right away. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and comment, guys. See you, bye-bye.